Hi guys, I'm Janet. I'm your Pampered Chef Consultant. Ignore the look. I'm in my kitchen cooking today, but I wanted to share this new Deluxe cooking blender with you. I'm actually making some homemade peanut butter. My mother has requested more. So I thought while I'm making it, I'll make a quick video and show you guys how it works. So all I'm doing is using 3 cups of Planters honey roasted peanuts. I used our Easy Read measuring cup. I already put them in here, and that's all that's in there. There's nothing else added. Put the lid on, and if you listen when I close the lid, it makes a sound like from Star Trek. And you just make sure everything's tight. Then down here on this knob, I can turn it. There are different settings. There's smoothie, and I don't have my glasses on. I'm going to turn it to grind. And all I do is push it to start. It is going to get very noisy. I am going to let this run. It's a 2 minute and 20 second cycle. But I want you guys to see how quick and easy it is. You will notice as the peanuts start climbing up the side, I will use the tamper that comes with it to tamper them down into the blades. This tamper does not reach the blades, and it was designed that way so you don't have to worry when you're tampering about hitting the blades. So here we go. Once you get past a certain point, then you don't really need the tamper anymore. I can already see it getting creamy. My favorite part is just like the batter of a cake, eating it right off the camper. Just 5 more seconds. And that's it. I have peanut butter. It's fresh, it's homemade with no additives. I just store it in jars and put it in my refrigerator. Let's see if I can show you guys. And it smells so good. You can also use regular dry roasted peanuts or just roasted peanuts. You don't have to use the honey roasted. My family just prefers that. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.